Alright guys, we're going to go through the 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 179DBK. We've got a great unit here with the Murphy bed up front, the double over double bunks in the back left corner, a little bench dinette there. This thing is super light, super small, compact trailer, which comes in at a dry weight of 3,200 pounds. Has an exterior length of 22 feet 6 inches. Exterior height of just over 10 feet at 10 feet 2 inches, and it's 7.5 feet wide, so any SUV can pretty much pull this thing. But let's get into it and take a look. All right, so now we're out here at the Wildwood FSX 179DBK, out here at the front cap. So you'll see the new upgraded the graphics here on the Platinum package. So a little bit upgraded here in 2022 models. That's one of the bigger differences that they made. All right, guys, so we got the pass-through storage here all the way through. Fit your chairs, tables, whatever you guys need to in there. We do have an awning that goes the majority of the length of the trailer itself. So that goes out about 8 to 10 foot, gives you guys some space. Obviously, it has the LED light strip underneath, the steps that fold back up into it underneath, saves space in the unit itself. You do have the hookup here for an outlet, so if you have a TV or whatnot, you can play that out here. So you got the smaller outside fridge here for drinks, snacks, whatever it may be, and a little bit of storage for outside utensils, cooking around the fire, whatever it might be. It does come with the stabilizer jacks out here, so they are manual, and then this is the Platinum package, as I had said, with the fiberglass sides. All right, guys, so we're here at the front of the camper. You have plenty of storage up top for the overhead cabinets, as well as on the sides. Now, this is a Murphy bed unit, so when you're not using the bed, you are able to use a couch and then fold up the bed when you're not using it. Real easy to use. We'll show that here in a minute. But this unit, nice, small, and compact. You do have the dinette here just to the left of the door as you walk in. So that actually folds down into another bed. So another sleeping area there, sleeping area up front. A lot of sleeping space in this unit itself. Moving over here to the kitchen. We do have a 2-burner range top. So that guy just folds back real easy like. Smaller range, but it does allow some cooking in here. Real big farmhouse style sink. Actually one of the larger sinks that is out on the market right now. And you do have the matching covers for the sinks. So allows a little bit of prep space or whatnot if you're not actually using it. It does come with the microwave here and some storage as well above and below the sink. So we do have double over double bunks here. They do have their individual lights above and below, as well as some storage that goes underneath. So there's plenty of storage in this unit for how small it actually is. And then obviously we do have the fridge here. So another 12 volt, 11 cubic foot fridge. That's going to run off your 7-pin, the charge on the batteries. And if you opt to go with the solar package, it'll actually help run off of those as well. Stainless fridge, so it looks good, looks clean, and provides you a little bit more space. All right, guys, so now we got the bathroom here. They use a Dinette toilet. You do have a sink there in the corner with a nice sized medicine cabinet for all of your bathroom needs. Moving over here to the shower, a good sized shower for the smaller unit. Actually has a bigger shower than a lot of the larger Wildwoods. Gives you a lot of space to move around. All right, guys, again, Mycah here at RV Wholesalers, walking you through a Wildwood FSX 179DBK. Be sure to give me a call if you have any questions or you want to buy or purchase one of these things. My My number here, as well as my team's number, is 937-649-5632. Just give me a call with any questions you have, and be sure to hit that subscribe button.